What's happening? Well, the operation was a success rate. Who knew? Thing new. Now, to the end is to understand which feels me accentuate the positive. Chassis, mag wheels. See what the blue ones look like. So, first choice of wheels, dark blues are set them off, so that's what they look like, the blue ones. I don't know, or those mags. What do you think, hey? Bluey blue. Or these ones here. And if I get another set of silver ones, maybe. Or it almost gives the nostalgic muscle car look. So, yeah. So, I don't know, Fanny, what do you think? Blue, or the stock car type ones, or kind of a street